Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. I know I look kind of awful. I look very bad without no makeup. And that's because today we're going to be trying this new Finish Touch Flawless Remover Hair. So if you want to see this, just keep on watching. I'm very self-conscious about my hair, like my facial hair, my peach fuzz. Especially because I do have darker hair. So you could tell like when I have like hair on my face, and I've been removing my hair with the little like eyebrow like those razor eyebrows. I remove my hair by using those products, and I just like shave it off. I like using those shavers because like it shaves all my hair, and then also when I apply makeup foundation, I feel like the foundation looks better on my skin, on my face. But it's getting tired, you know. I hate doing like, I'll shave my face like every other third day because my hair grows super fast, and it just like I said, like my hair is very darker, so you get a lot of hair around my jawline and my chin, and I just don't like that. And when I saw this product in the stores, I was like, you know what, let me give it a try. And I found this product at Walmart, and it was retail for $19.99. And this one is supposedly is an 18 karat gold plated. So okay, so bougie, you know, you're gonna have a bougie item here. 18 karat gold. Okay, watch out. So yeah, so let's try it. So this is how it looks. It's rose gold, and supposedly this is like 18 karat gold. And then you open it up like this. You just, oh shoot. Ugh. Okay. Okay. So you just like pop it like this, and you put the battery inside, and then you hook it up, and then come on, and then when you turn it on, it has like a little light, so it guides you with the hair. Okay, so the thing with the packaging, it's very cute packaging, very like a nice color and everything, but it does feel kind of cheapy made, you know. It makes me feel like it's not a very good quality, but you never know. So we're gonna try that. We're gonna try it on our face and see how it works. And then when you turn it on, it has like a little blades here that move around. It does resemble like the ones that the guys use for their face, so it's similar to that. If you think about it, you just grab that huge one and just start doing it, but this one's like little one, and it says to go circular motion. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys could see how this thing is gonna work. Okay, and hopefully the camera picks it up. So I don't know if you guys could tell like all my peach, like I don't know if you could see from there like all my little hair, my peach fuzz, and then my chin. I have a lot of hair. I hate it when I get like those black stubbles under my chin. I'm just like, why do I get those? So we're gonna go in and turn it on, and I'm just gonna go. I don't know if you guys could hear that. It's actually grabbing the hairs. Let me see what I'm doing with it. And I'm just going circular motions. It's not painful at all. And then I have like pimples here. I have a lot of acne here going on, a lot of pimples. And when I go in on top of it, it doesn't hurt at all. It's not like it's grabbing the pimple at all. It's just grabbing the hair, which is good, you know. It's actually not like causing any cuts to your face, which I like that. And so far, like, it's picking up the hair. On top of my mustache. It does feel smooth, and what I like about it is that it didn't like scratch me, scrapes or redness or anything. So far it looks good, and it did remove my hair. Let me try it on this side now. Closer to the eye, you could sense like it's really hot. That's the only thing I could. And it says to keep going like in a circular motion. So I finished using it all over my face, and honestly, like, it did remove my hair, and my face does seem a little bit smooth now. But the only thing I could tell, like, I have like little like black stubble hair here. Like, instead of like pulling them out, it just like cut them, you know. And honestly, when I'm like shaving my face, like usually like that pulls it out. Shaving my face using the razors because it removes my hair, and also it gives me like a nice exfoliation. And with this, I feel like it does remove my hair, but it doesn't exfoliate my face. That's my only con about it, because I really like to exfoliate my face. I feel like that helps a lot. Like, it removes all my dead skin cells. But this, it only like cuts my hair, you know. And I think it's a good thing. Like, when you're in a hurry and you're like, oh dang, I have hair here. Like let me just go in it. And I think that's very good. Like for a travel. Then to clean this product, you open this thing up. So I'm gonna open it up and see how much gunk. Oh, dang. Okay, guys. I have to, like, show you close up the hair that it removed, okay? All the gunk inside that's all my peach fuzz hair from just right now. And I haven't even used the product yet. Like, I put the battery and everything, but I was like, you know what? Let me use it on camera. Let me grow my peach hair out. Can you see the gunk? I'm gonna go inside with a Q-tip and clean that up. Can you guys see how the Q-tip looks? Like, hopefully the camera's picking this up, because although I think it's okay. So you guys could see, like, I clean the inside with the Q-tip. You can see all that peach hair, that fuzz. Oh my god, it removed, like, that is disgusting. That's all my peach fuzz that I have in my face. I'm very satisfied to see all this hair in here. Like, oh my god, like, it removed all my hair. Like, it removed everything. So I'm pretty impressed with that. And then to cap it on, you just like put it back on like this, and it's good to go. Okay, so I am impressed with this little thing, okay? Like, although it doesn't exfoliate my face, it does remove my hair, and it does remove it all, as you guys could see by those images. Like, wow. So I'm pretty impressed about this product. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna be keeping this item. And so I don't know what you guys thought about it, but I really like this product. I think it is a little bit too pricey. I think $20 it's hitting it, you know. It's still up there in the price. I would love it if this was like $9.99. I think that would be really good. I don't know, just me. But for a seen on TV item, it does work very well. You know, it does remove your hair, and as you can see on those clips, like, it did remove everything. So yeah, so I'm very impressed about this product. So with that, I conclude this video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. And also comment below, how do you treat your peach fuzz? Or do you even shave your peach fuzz? What do you do? Do you use Nair? Let me know below. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.